In this video, we'll dive into the 5 superpowers of KipwareCYC, machining cycle time estimating software as told to us by our clients. First, route sheets. After creating a cycle time estimate, users can quickly and easily create a route sheet. Route sheets are an in-depth outline of everything that is in the estimate. Process list, cutting speeds and feeds, tool descriptions, and all times for each of the operations contained in the estimate. Why is this so important? The key to accurate estimating is to ensure that whatever is happening in the estimate is reproducible and actually takes place on your unique and individual shop floor. Route sheets are a roadmap for CNC programming and setup to ensure that they are achieving what is in the estimate. Any feedback they can provide, like speed and feed adjustments, can then be applied to the databases, so that the more you use KipwareCYC, the more accurate it becomes. Number 2, the cut length calculator. Any estimator worth his or her salt will tell you that the most accurate way to estimate cutting cycle time is using the amount of time the cutter is engaged in the cut. CLC uses a conversational or fill-in-the-blank approach to assist users in determining the length of cut for tools and operations in the estimate. This application illustrates our KipwareCYC philosophy of getting a cycle time as close to actual as possible without being overkill. CLC has tons of conversational screens for milling and turning operations that quickly and easily give users realistic length of cut to be used in the CYC estimating screen. It even has the ability to import a DXF file for really complex contours and shapes. And the cut length calculator makes calculating the length of cut simple, quick, and accurate. Always remembering that we are not looking to create a G-code cutting program, just a length of cut. Number 3, multi-part estimating. Whereas the main KipwareCYC estimating is for a single part, our multi-part estimating feature gives users the ability to work with the machining of multiple parts on a VMC or HMC, or machining on a multi-spindle, multi-turret turning center. This is a powerful feature for today's complex machines and environments. And our unique ghosting feature allows users to separate simultaneous operations on a multi-spindle, multi-turret turning center. This way, users can easily visualize the longer running spindle, which is the actual cycle time to use in quoting. Number 4, the runtime calculator. RTC gives users the on-the-fly ability to visualize number of machine hours required, number of days required, and total labor costs based on a KipwareCYC cycle time estimate. Users can specify and play with hourly labor rates, efficiency factors, number of workday hours, and more to quickly and easily view possible labor specifics and costs. RTC is a powerful and invaluable tool for on-the-fly labor calculations. Number 5, the KipwareCYC settings. Users have some powerful options in KipwareCYC. The cutting and material databases are available in both inch and metric settings. And they can be synced and converted between these two settings with a single mouse click. Any change made to the inch database can be auto-converted to the metric database and vice versa with a single mouse click. And the ability to store database files in a central location, like on a server, and tell the software where that location is, gives all users the ability to all use the same database files. Essential to ensure all estimates are created by all users using the same database information. If you're ready to break the chains of outdated spreadsheets, or fed up with having to tweak and fix inaccurate estimates created with AI, then it's time for KipwareCYC. Take your cycle time estimating to superhero levels and your profits to levels you dream about. Explore all the details of KipwareCYC and all our real-world CNC and machine shop software at www.kipware.com.